Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the background music to your video on the IntroTube application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on this icon down below, which is the third one, and then click on Music Library. Tap on the OK button to enable the application to have access to your Apple Music, but you can also select the music from the audio library. Here you can find many categories at the top, such as popular, adventure, ambient, children's, cinematic, classical, and so on. Tap on the download button next to the song that you would like to insert. After it's being downloaded, tap on the song. Here you can check it out, and tap on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen to insert the music to your video. Here you can check it out, and you can also crop it or clip the music here by the help of these two arrows down below. You can also select the volume by the help of this slide. You can select whether you want to make it fade in or fade out by the help of these two pink buttons. If you are done with it, click on the done button at the top of the screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.